What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at Dyno Solutions, and we got the 2021 Camaro SS 1LE 10 speed. We're gonna do 2 passes, get a baseline for it. It's a little hot and muggy, but that's kind of how I like it. You know, when you dyno in the cold, you only get cold numbers. I'm Florida, it's always hot, so I'm gonna put on the dyno, get some 7th gear pull since it's the 1-to-1 gear, and let's see what it does. Hopefully I'll hit 400. Hit 400, I'll be happy with that, and then it's a baseline. So when we do a little bit of more mods, we'll see where it goes. So let's just jump right into it, get some passes, see the graph, talk about the graph. See you guys in a minute.
You got it figured out?
Yeah.
What'd it do?
40, 404, 405, 419.
More torque?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's typical.
We did like 3 passes because the first 2 passes, the first pass didn't get torque, the second pass was calibrated wrong, and then the third pass we got the torque right. So it did 404, 390 something, and then 404 again. So it was pretty consistent there, and then the torque was 419. All right, so 402 horsepower, 416 torque. That's pretty much what the car did. If you look at the graph, it looks pretty good. Torque comes in early. These cars are pretty torquey. I like it. It's 10 speed with a little torquey. It feels pretty good when you get on it, especially on the paddles on the right gear. So remember, it's a dyno. Don't get caught up on the numbers. It was done in STD5. It was hot. It was muggy. It rained a little bit afterwards, but there you have it. 402, 416. Now let's walk around the car and talk real quick about what's coming for the car. As you can see, the car's lowered on the iBox Pro Kit. It has the Extreme Online Store Z011LE wing. We have the Z011LE side skirts coming and the Z011LE front lip on the way to replace the 1LE one. Got those from Extreme Online Store. It's on the way. Should be here like in a week, and we'll do an install and review video. But right now, man, this car clean right now, in the shade with no clouds up. It looks badass. I should have brought the camera. I left the camera. Put the 1320 stickers there. I like it. Makes it look pretty good. The colors match kind of with the car. So I got the US on that side, PR on this side. Yeah, I like the car. I like how it sits. I like how it looks. Minor mods. It's got a couple things more coming, so it looks badass outside. But do a quick walk around. But yeah, love how it looks. Definitely. With the Z01 1LE side skirts and the front lip, it's gonna make the car look a little bit more aggressive. If I get the wheels I want, it's gonna look badass. And yeah, it's all aesthetics for now. We got something we might do here pretty soon to make the car move a little bit. All right, we're on the inside because it's too windy outside. So that's pretty much it. 402 horsepower, 416 torque. I'm excited to maybe do something horsepower wise here in a month or so and see what the changes are, see what the changes, you know, what the mods yield and difference. But I think the horsepower is better than the DOT for an auto car. And that's pretty much it. Gave you the horsepower and torque, showed you what's outside and what's coming, showed you the little updates on the inside. If you have any questions or anything, let us know in the comments. If you like the video, smash that like button and subscribe to see what's coming on next. We're going to the track on Wednesday. Gonna run versus Rob, hopefully, in the Supra. Hopefully he hasn't tuned it yet by then, but if he has, whatever. It'll just push me to get off the line a little quicker in practice, just to have fun with the car. I mean, it's 12-second cars, so we're all just gonna go out there with friends and run against each other and have some fun. So that's pretty much it. Peace.